Tools needed: 1.5 mm hex driver, drill with pilot bit. Unscrew the bottom knobs to remove the body. Remove the screws. Detach the adhesive backing. Remove the base plate, making note of the wire routing. Carefully remove the stock component. Drill pilot holes at the locations marked in the manual. Install the screws in sequence. Secure the nuts on the inside of the body shell. Refer to the video for guidance on this step. Bend the T-fitting to a 90-degree angle. Bend both L-arms of the window guard to a 90-degree angle, making sure they are oriented in the same direction. Tighten all components using the provided screws and nuts. This is what the final assembly should look like.